Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online business with Authorize.net easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your online business using Authorize.net, start by signing up for an account. Visit the Authorize.net website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your business name, address, and contact details. Select the type of account that fits your business needs. Review the pricing plans and choose the one that suits your budget. Once your account is set up, complete the verification process by providing any additional requested documents. Next, log into your Authorize.net account to access your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout to find the essential features. Navigate to the Settings tab to configure your business options. Set up your payment methods under the Payment Methods section. Integrate Authorize.net with your online store platform by selecting the appropriate plugin or API. Follow the provided instructions for integration, which usually involves entering your API login credentials. Test the integration by making a small test transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. After successful testing, focus on optimizing your checkout process for a better customer experience. Customize the checkout page design to reflect your branding. Implement features like saved payment methods for returning customers. Monitor transactions closely using the Transactions section of your dashboard. Utilize the reporting tools available to analyze your sales data. Explore additional features like fraud detection and recurring billing to enhance your security and customer options. Consider using Authorize.net's mobile payment solutions to tap into a wider audience. Promote your new payment options through social media and email marketing. Continuously evaluate your business performance and make adjustments as necessary. Stay updated with Authorize.net's latest features and enhancements to remain competitive. Engage with the Authorize.net community or support resources for additional tips and best practices. With these steps, your business will be well on its way to scaling effectively with Authorize.net. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.